Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TX3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents from computer with this printer. Before you start, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. We connected the printer and laptop together via a wireless network. You need to go to laptop start, then go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. It's going to search for available printer on the network, and the printer is found TX3700 series, multifunction printer, inkjet printer, and scanner. Then select add device. It will show you connecting. You need to wait until it shows you installing and ready. The printer is installing, so the printer is ready. You can print a test page to confirm that the printer is working. I'm going to close this, then go back again to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then select the printer Canon TS3700 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer starts to idle. Select print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3700 series on laptop, Windows x64. There are two ways to print documents from laptop. The first method, we're going to go to File Explorer, select on Documents, then select the document you want to print out. Open. This is the document we want to print out, two-page document. To print it out, you select print icon on top, or you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard, Ctrl P. Then select correct printer from the list, Canon TS3700 series. Selected. Then select pages. We want to print all. Select number of copies. Color. We want to print it in color. More settings. Then select the size of the paper as A4. One page per sheet. Scale default. Print on both sides. We want to print on both sides. If you want to print on one side, you can also scroll down to select print on one side. So print on both sides is selected, then select print. We show you this warning. For us to print on both sides, we need to reload the paper on the rear tray with the area already printed at the back. Then once you've done that, then you need to confirm, select OK. We will print out the second page. This is the document we printed on both sides. Another method to print document, we're going to use Canon Print app. So this printer and laptop are connected together. So go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store, then type Canon Print app. Open Canon Print app. Once the app opens, it will show you the printer. If the printer is not available, you need to add a printer. So the printer is online and also with the ink level. From this, you can select print document or print photo. So we want to print document, select document print. Then it will still take you to your computer for you to select the document you want to print out. So type the document you want to print, select on the document, then select open. So this is 2-page document. This is page 1, and this is page 2. To print it out, select the paper as A4 orientation portrait. You want to print all. Media type, plain paper. Duplex printing is 2-sided printing. We select none. Print quality, auto. You can select high, standard. I want us to select standard. 1 page per sheet. Color, we want to print it in grayscale. You can select grayscale or color. Grayscale usually black and white. Source, real paper tray. Then you select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. These are documents we printed, black and white, single page. So these are methods to print document from computer with this printer. If you find this valuable while you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.